So here we'll go into a little jack detail. This is jack. There's 3 of these that come with this. As you can see, we got color coding for the bow and the stern. And right here's the lever I was talking about. So this is locked, it's in line. So you know it's locked. Sometimes you gotta go a little past. And that's open, so now that will slide. So lock it up, and then you just gotta pump. And you can see over there, we're extending. So that's what creates tension here. And then again, when you're done, you can just unlock it, push it together. So that's how this jack works. It's very simple. All right, so as you can see, we're too short here. We can't get our jack in. So what we have to do is we have dimples on the front and back. So we'll use that. We'll stick in the jack, line it up with the other one. The dimples just keep it from sliding away. It will slide away if you don't use it. And you can see we can just jack it apart, give it enough room to get our jack inside the tubing. Okay, so we have the keel jack in. Now it's time to put the gunnel jacks in. So we'll just slide them in behind here. This is the seat post. That's where the seat is going to fasten in. We'll show that later. Get it in behind that. Color code it again. Get it in, lock it, and just start pumping to get the back lined up. Once we are in, now we get tension. Now we do the same on the other side.